Good afternoon. Martha and I have been working in our workshop this afternoon, working on some fossils. Martha's been working on this Triceratops brow horn. Martha, tell us what you've been finding.
Okay. In the summer of 2015, we started excavating a skull of a Triceratops, and we had a beautiful brow horn, but we could not get it out because of the sediment it was in. So we tried to protect it for the winter and came back in the summer of 2016, and to our dismay, it had been crumbled. And so we still brought it back in, but in many, many, many pieces, and had the hopes of perhaps getting to reassemble at least a portion of it and salvage something of this. So I've begun working on this today. What we have here, this is the core. This is what would have attached to the skull. And I'm now working on trying to piece some of the exterior that would make the shape of the horn. So I've been doing that. And what I've been looking for have been some missing pieces to fit in here to give stability at the core. Well, what I discovered was this piece. Exciting, isn't it?
It looks exciting.
Oh, so exciting. But what caught my attention was this round knob. And here's why. I'll show you. So for starters, this is a core portion, and then we have marrow, which you can see core versus marrow. And I looked at it and I said, this looks like it should fit. So I'm going to wiggle it around here and find how it fit again, because now I've forgotten. Wrong direction. There we go.
There you go.
Okay, so that fits on there. What that gives us is the finished point to the core, but then I have this shell portion that has got the marrow on it, which is going to fit on top of this, approximately like so. I'll get it fitted better when I get it glued. Now here's what else is interesting. In addition to that, while I was working over here on all the crumble pieces, I have this center piece of messy look, but see that circle?
Oh yeah, I see that. Okay.
I saw that and said somewhere in this pile should be a round knob. That's going to give me the finish on this side. And then if you look right here, I have got about a foot-long piece of exterior that is all glued together. It's just being stable for the moment. And that knob piece is going to fit right in the middle here.
Cool.
So once I attach all of the pieces to the core here, then I'm going to be able to just like slide that sleeve right on the exterior and give us a nice brow horn shape.
So we got a shot at putting a good piece of this back together, don't we?
We do. We will not have the tip because it got destroyed. I'm not gluing back pieces this big.
Hundreds of little pieces.
But we should have the majority of the core and the horn exterior. So that was my exciting discovery, this little piece that goes in the middle and holds everything together.
Thank you, Martha.
You're welcome.